Before we get into fixing the holes on your Firebox, have you been using context-sensitive help? You just activate it, you click on buttons like this one, and then you can go around and click on other buttons. Now, down here we have, this is the, if I click on this button and move in, okay, this tells me about that it's showing the distance the camera is away from its viewpoint. And if I click down on this button, it tells me I've got both automatic and manual zooms for the camera. I always run it on automatic so it changes speeds, and then it's like a 6-speed transmission here. And if I click on here, it says I'm on zoom speed 6, which is the fastest. Now what happens is, as you go to a lower gear, the camera moves slower and slower distances so that you can get in close to the object. And then I have another button over here which is called FOV, for field of view, and we can zoom in and out on the object also with using field of view. And to turn off contact sensitive help, we just go click on the button again and then click here, get rid of the window. So okay, if I'm going to I'm going to zoom in, and if I keep zooming and zooming, and if we look down here, I've shifted into a lower speed automatically. If it's on manual, if I go into click off automatic and I keep zooming on manual, the object disappeared because I went past it on the zoom speed. So if I just back up a bit, zoom out a bit, it's back again. And if I go into a lower speed, I can continue zooming until the same thing happens. Now if I go back into automatic mode, and if I start zooming, it's still staying down on the lower speed, but I could click all the way up and get back to the top speed right away. So now we'll do a watertight check on your object, and it says we have holes, so we'll say yes to get the holes. Now I've got locked pivot point on already, and if I go up to the camera menu, I can see that okay, I'm locked on the fast pivot center, and I'm on automatic zoom speed. And if I go over to the display mode, you can see I'm on flat shading. So now I'm going to go over here and turn off the one layer, and here's our two holes. Now since I'm on lock center point, I can go ahead and click until I actually hit one of the edges. Okay, so I've got one of the edges in on the screen, and if I zoom in, okay, I'm zooming in, and there's the other edge there. If I click over here with the lock on, everything stays locked, and I could click on this, let's see, well, must already be centered on that one. Okay, alrighty, so we've got like that. So I'll turn on the other edge and go back into edit points mode, and now I'll zoom in a little more, and you can see I'm still on speed 6. And now I don't know, I've lost track of where my edge is, so I'm going to go up here and select the edge layer, and so now I can see there's the 3 vertices for the edge just on that layer. So I'm looking right in this area for the problem. So if I wanted to, I could also go here and click off the layer, and there we can see where it is. Now since I've already got a vertex, okay, so take that off and go back to the layer I want to work on. So I know the problem is in this area, so I'll go back to the page, click, pick edge, pick one edge, and now it shows me that the edge is running all the way down to here, so I know I have to come down here and click here, and I just have the one edge highlighted. And then I just go ahead and click divide edge. There's my new vertex came in there. Go click on pick vertex, click on the vertex to select it, click on snap to vert, and then click on the vertex I want to snap to. It's there. Click OK. So I've got that one fixed, and so I'll just go back over onto the other mode. And okay, so I can see the other place I want to fix now is down there. So I'm going to again click with the middle mouse button, rotate a bit, bring it around, come back in here, click again with the middle mouse button, and now I'm going to zoom in, and I'm still on automatic and it's staying up on the top zoom speed. I didn't show you field of view. I've got a field of view. When I'm getting in close and I want to change the view, I can zoom in for a telephoto view, or I can zoom way out for a wide angle view. And if I want to reset to, you can see this, the field of zoom is showing up here. If I just right click on that button, I'm back to the normal 30-degree field of view. So now I'm going to right click on the object to select it, go back to pick edge, click down here, and I can see my edges running all the way up to there, so I'll click there, go to divide edge, go back to pick vert, click on the vertex, snap to vert, click on where I want to go, click OK, we're done, fix the 2 points, click edit. I can zoom out or just hit camera reset and do a watertight check. Meshes are watertight. We're ready to go. Now, I hope that takes care of the problems you were having with zooming in and out and getting to the right spot. Bye.